Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Viber. Viber is a cross-platform voice-over app, an instant messaging software application, operated by Japanese multinational company Rakuten. It has been provided as freeware for Android, iOS, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms. It allows instant messaging users to exchange media such as images and video records, and also provides a paid international landline and mobile calling service called Viber Out. To sign up for Viber, make sure you've downloaded the app on your device. Tap open your Play Store or your App Store and download by tapping on the Install button. And once you got the app, tap it open from the very first interface of Viber, tap on Start Now, and you'll need to enter your phone number. In order to sign up for Viber, if necessary, select your country from the drop-down at the very first, and type in your phone number in the phone number text field. Once you're done, tap on the Continue button, and ensure that this is your phone number, and you have access to this number. After you do that, a code will be sent by an SMS, and you'll be able to automatically activate your account. On Viber, tap on Yes, wait for the code, and right after that you'll be taken to your next page. Enter your full name, your date of birth information, and you'll be good to go. Tap on the camera icon, and upload a profile picture for your Viber. Tap on Gallery from the options, or you can take a picture right now from your camera. Let me choose one of my pictures from my gallery. Readjust the picture you want to choose, and tap on Save from the bottom right. Once you do that, enter your full name in the first text field. Now type in your date of birth on the net, select your date of birth and tap on OK. If you want to allow Viber to send you updates, then tap on the circle and finally tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. And there you go, you have signed up for Viber successfully. In order to send your first text messages, tap on Send. Your first message, choose one of your contacts you want to send the message to, and type in your message. In the type of message, text, build after you're done. Tap on the Send button at the right corner, and you have successfully sent your first text message on Viber. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.